Tifa recently found out that Mamzobe's medical aid is lapsed, and I'm here asking myself, what could this mean? Does this mean Mamzobe is now going to die? Come on, let's discuss this and more in this video. Stay tuned. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. Okumete have recently found news that Mamzobe will be moved to another hospital. This is because her medical aid is no longer able to continue paying for her medical bills. So, on the recent episode of Umkhokha, Tifa received a call from hospital, which is where he was told about this news. And now Okumete is stressing about this, which got me thinking, guys. You know, ever since I started watching Umkhokha, I've never seen Tifa or Mamzobe going to work. And this makes me come to a realization that Umkhokha producers didn't really consider the fact that these type of questions might come up when writing this plot. Well, not that it matters, but I think the producers are starting to be careless now. But nonetheless, we're still watching and enjoying the show, and that is all that matters. So, teasers of Umkhokha tell us that since Tifa is no longer able to pay Mamzobe's medical bills, he'll be forced to sell his house, and there'll be a lot of drama in that process. Look guys, I don't really know where this is leading up to, but I've got a feeling that Mamzobe's role has ended on the show. Even the producers and writers don't know what to do with her character now. I think that is why she disappeared on the show. I know there are breaks and leaves and all those things, but hear me guys. Yes, on the teasers they do state that she's going to come back, but I still feel like they did this to see how the show looked like without her in the picture. And if you think about it carefully, Mamzobe's role was to make life difficult for Umthembu and to be that one villain that is trying to steal the church from Umthembu. Now that she is no longer as evil as she was before, I don't really think there's a room for her character. Not unless she can go back to her old ways, of which that as well will no longer be interesting as it was before. So the Mamzobe character will be a very confused character going forward, and that is the reason why I think the writers and producers are trying to get rid of the character. But then, I could be wrong. So do comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know, what do you think about this topic? And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch again on the next one.